Yeah. The more I talk to Jamaican people, I have to wonder if I'm confused or Jamaicans are some of the most confused, hypocritical people I've come across, or misled, easily influenced. I don't know. Yeah, Trump win the election, and a lot of Jamaicans are disgruntled about it. So yeah, just had this off the rip, no bag of editing or nothing. Free off the top of the brain. But me and some other topic I want to break down in the future, you know. How them rob you when you have the things in Jamaica. Stuff like that. Crime prevention. Want to get a group, a collective of people, you know, who can give insight and stuff. But anyway, this is one of the things we hear this Project 2025 business.
What you're going to hear tonight is a detailed and dangerous plan called Project 2025.
All right. First time here about this Project 2025 business is that Jamaicans come to me. Oh, who you voting for? I say I don't vote, but if I would vote, I'm going to vote for Trump. Oh, you what? Why would you do that? Why would you say that? So yeah, it does make more sense. Then I'll get into it maybe on a live stream or something, but she was like, yeah, this Project 2025, it's crazy, blah, blah, blah. And I said, what's in it? What's it about? A pause. What's in here? Oh, I'm not sure. My sister read it. She was telling me about it. I didn't get to look into it yet. So I say, how you speaking on it like it's so crazy when you didn't even hear it for yourself? And I couldn't understand that. And then
to other news now, Donald Trump has another 4 years as President of the United States of America. His first day will be January 20, but already concern over immigration has become a talking point. Romardo Lyons has our story.
If Trump is in power again, there's going to be a lot of craziness. It's going to be a circus, but not a good.
So wasn't he in power 4 years before? Out 4 years once upon a time? Was there any craziness or circus? I'm sure it was no war. So Jamaica not support so much war because no war so much and kill no one another. And there's a lot of war, everything about war and support, right? Okay.
Kind, not the good kind. And yeah, we can only hope that doesn't happen again.
But it has. Donald Trump heads to the White House once again.
Frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country and maybe beyond.
Jamaican teacher Philippa Harley, who entered the country through legal channels, did this interview with TVJ News in New York back in September, 2 months before the elections. Even with her legal status, this was her concern.
My issue with that is that he wouldn't be differentiating in the immigrants that he's referring to, legal.
And this is a teacher.
Or illegal. He's just going to make a sweeping change.
At that time, she said several Jamaicans were saying Mr. Trump would have been their pick.
For the Jamaicans that I've spoken to, most of them want to vote for Trump because they say, most of the males want to vote for Trump because they say that they're able to make more money when he's in power, which is really weird for me because to me, there's no huge difference.
Now, after the results, I spoke.
You have a teacher job. It's well-known teachers are some of the most lowest paid set of people. And you can't make the move, you can't think differently, so this is why you're confused. This is somebody educating people, which seem confused than anything else.
Spoke with several Jamaicans in America who said they gave Kamala Harris their vote.
For me personally and my family, we just have to wait, and continue pushing for progress. When I saw the numbers last night, shocked, turn the television off because that could not be true, could not be happening.
I did support her. She did her best. Unfortunately, I don't know if everybody went in and voted.
While campaigning, Trump promised the biggest mass deportation of undocumented migrants in U.S. history.
That is a tough one. For all the things and what you have said and what you have said he's going to do as for immigrants and everything, I don't even know how to answer that.
I posed this question to Erwin Clare, managing director of the New York-based Caribbean Migrant Services, early October.
Since the campaigning would have started, a lot of talk is being made about immigrants.
Yes.
Would you say that Jamaicans living in the U.S. now should be worried?
His response?
If you think Project 25 is a reality.
Again, the Project 2025. Oh, let me play this.
That the former president intends on implementing if he were elected again. I believe very strongly that the American people want a president who understands the importance of bringing us together, knowing we have so much more in common than what separates us, and I pledge to you to be a president for all Americans.
President Trump will give you a minute here to respond.
Number one, I have nothing to do, as you know, and as she knows better than anyone, I have nothing to do with Project 2025. That's out there. I haven't read it. I don't want to read it purposely. I'm not going to read it. This was a group of people that got together. They came up with some ideas, I guess some good, some bad, but it makes no difference. I have nothing to do. Everybody knows I'm an open book. Everybody knows what I'm going to do. Cut taxes very substantially and create a great economy.
So, how much time this has to be said about this Project 2025? When we're not going to start repeating the same dumb shit over and over? It's crazy to me. And here we go again. And these are the people who are leading.
Then yes, you should be.
Mr. Clare said he believed most Jamaicans have secured themselves in a position where there is recourse.
And I say recourse, I mean opportunities for them to do different things. But in general, we are not unlike any other immigrant group in this country that are concerned about some of the wordings of some of those persons who aspire for a higher office.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.
I don't know, so worry about immigration, right? But yet still on the one neighbors. When I saw this, let me see.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Midday News. Here's what we have in the bulletin. Royal to Negro strike resolved, but cultural. Thank you for joining us. I'm Shamela Pullen. Here are the details. Local authorities continue their crackdown on Haitian migrants and asylum seekers. TVJ News obtained footage which shows Haitians gathering.
Why whoever supporting the Democrats are letting immigrants, why we don't go out and start Black Road and do everything for you letting Haitian them? Why you don't demonstrate peacefully and tell the government let in the Haitians them way under so much stress and violence? Y'all are a bunch of hypocrites. You not say one thing but you don't mean what you mean. Is that they're not going to support the open borders, which is Democrat and Kamala. You're going to do it US, do it at Jamaica too. Who need it more than the Haitians? Most of you don't need to leave Jamaica. Most of you have good jobs where I migrate and I make good living and better living. But just through have to flex on one another so they are foreign. Right? But within everybody deserve a chance to travel and see the world. But keep it the same. I don't want sound about this, that, blah, 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 but I don't support the biggest supporter, LG, whatever the fuck. What else? Fight for Haitian brother, them say, yeah, let them in. Open the border to Haiti, Jamaica. Haitian hard working, then do everything. Why not? Keep it a buck.
at Portland's Bound Brook Wharf last night. They were boarding a Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard vessel for Haiti. Attorney and founder of
I'm not a believer, but the biggest pusher of atheism is the Democrats, and they do it in the name of all different type of evil and stuff. Why is it Jamaica have the most church per square mile, but why in America I want to support the church party? I don't know. I actually think the church is needed with all this shit. So, I think, as I said, we are some of the most confused set of people. Talking to Jamaican in person, sometimes I have to shake my head with the stuff that come out of them, or how them just program. Repeat the same talking points. What them hear over, and when you ask them an objective question, they just pause and look in your face, because they don't have nothing else to say. Because they just program for repeat what they hear. Whether through TikTok or the news or whatever. Algorithm got them. So I don't want too much, I don't know. I don't want no fans. If you support and you bring some common sense over here. So I ain't intend for block nobody comments unless you're within the YouTube guidelines, you know. If you go outside of that, then you don't know. But other than that, you're free to speak over here. And yeah, when we go live, I want to go live so we can have some common sense people with some input. And as I was talking about this, I saw this video. Trump tell NBC News he has a mandate to bring common sense back, which is needed.
Spoke with President-elect Trump earlier this afternoon by phone.
And my aim is to try and bring back some common sense conversation to the YouTube space in the Caribbean, Jamaican diaspora. And this is the last Trump video, hopefully, because there's a lot of other shit for deal with in Jamaica we want to talk about. All right, we need to better get into this.
As he and his
I direct my entire administration to work with his team to ensure.
Peace out.